It's amazing that not that long ago, Brussels sprout sales, whether fresh or frozen, were dismal at best. But that all changed once we figured out that we can cook these little powerhouses of nutrition in lots of different ways, rather than simply boiling them like our parents did. Today, we love them roasted, shredded in our salads, and a new way that we love them is to pickle them. To make pickled Brussels sprouts, we start by blanching some Brussels sprouts that we've trimmed. Once they're bright green and just tender, we drain them. While they drain, we combine some water, salt, and white vinegar in a saucepan. And we let that simmer until the salt dissolves. Now we remove this from the heat and add in some fresh garlic, peppercorns, mustard seed, and a bit of crushed red pepper. This gets poured over our sprouts and we'll let them sit for a bit so they can absorb all that goodness. After chilling them, they're ready to team up with anything from our favorite sandwich to any of our weeknight classics. To get the recipe for our brand new pickled Brussels sprouts, just head over to our website. I'm Howard of the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we've discovered a trendy pickled way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.